Hey there guys, Peanut here. We just got the Walkman fixed. Stephanie had to take it apart 3 times.
Third time's a charm though.
Yeah, she did get it working really well. It does malfunction occasionally, just kind of skips, which you just have to fast forward or rewind it. When I first got it, all that came on was the red light on top, which you'll see when I press play on it. And nothing else moved on the inside, none of the gears were moving. One of them was kind of, the main motor I guess was kind of frozen, stopped up. So now we got it where it actually functions and is connected to a speaker, so you'll actually be able to hear it as well. Maybe. Had me worried. Got it going.